Hear ye, hear ye! It's another Roof Right Minute!
What do you do when you're home and feeling chilly? You wrap yourself in a blanket. Low-E House Wrap is a radiant barrier that can be installed under your siding. It improves your home's energy efficiency by reflecting up to 97% of radiant heat, while also acting as a weather-resistant barrier and air infiltration reducer. The aluminum facing reflects radiant heat, preventing it from entering your home in the summer and reducing heat loss in the winter. By blocking radiant heat, it helps reduce heating and cooling costs. The foam core creates a thermal break, which stops heat transfer through the wall studs. It seals gaps and cracks in your sheathing, which helps reduce air leaks that can account for a significant amount of energy loss. Imagine being comfortable in your own home year-round with no drafts or hot spots. Contact Roof Right today to learn more.